Okay, so hello guys, welcome back to the Tech Savvy Brothers, and today I'm gonna be teaching you about variables, types of variables, and other things. So first, what is a variable? So okay, let's not go that way. Okay, let's just start. So we take so this is for another video. So okay, you can just ignore this because it's already commented out as well. Okay, so yeah, I'm gonna do this then. Okay. So I'm gonna name A. I'm gonna insert the value of the things come after is equals to into A. So okay, let me tell you. A is equals to uh okay str, and then alright, welcome welcome to our third video, I guess. Third or yeah, third. Welcome to our third video, and this you can just ignore the yellow lines, but you can also go like this. Okay, then if you run it, then it should say nothing because we didn't print A. So what is print? Print function prints something. That's as simple as that. So alright, print and A, and then if I run this, then it should say welcome to our third video. Okay, now there is something you should remember. So if I want to print A, then I don't add these columns, because then we will literally be printing the letter A. To print A, I just need to write A and then don't do anything. But if I want to print it myself, like welcome to our third video, so these two do the same thing, but we didn't have to do this twice. I could just rub this, erase this, and just write A. No, that was async. That will be learning in the future. Okay, so I'm just gonna write A and do this. Then it's also gonna do the same thing, but with less amount of code. What it does is it allows to put a value inside anything. So if I were to write one over here and then print one, I think it should run into an error. Yeah, because we cannot assign something to a number, only if I write 12, then it's still gonna run into an error. So I must write a letter. So A Q A E R T Y, not everything you want. But so if you want to write assign a variable with two words which has escape, so I wanna write tech savvy brothers. So this is gonna run into an error because we have space between it. To make it, we just need to enter an underscore and do the same over here. Then the underscore will work as a space. So I don't really recommend you to do this. You can just write a single letter. So if you're writing large number of code, then only you will require doing that. For now, I'm just gonna write R, just any number, anything, not number, but alphabet. Okay, now that we're done with this, now I'm gonna teach you about variables. So there are mainly three. There are many others, but things that you will have to learn right now is only three. So first is str, as in string. Just gonna write string, uh, string. Okay, then int is equals to integer, and float. Uh, float is equals to floating point Okay, so str means a short form of string. String is a string of letters, like a sequence of letters, you can say. Uh, so anything, any word is a string. Any number is an integer, and any number that has a point after it is a float. So if I were to just comment these all out by pressing Control and question mark, and then if I were to write t is equals to float, and then enter a number with a point. So guys, now I'm gonna add an element which we'll be learning in the next video, but I'm just gonna do it right now because it's really needed. So you don't really need to know this in this video itself, because it's gonna be idea for the next. So input function is one of the main functions of Python. If I run this, enter a number with a point, so if I write 3, yeah, it's nothing. It's we can only enter numbers in float, but float is mainly regarded with point. So we also really don't need float, but we should just keep in mind about that. Okay. So what's next? That should be done. So see guys, this is all for other videos. I cannot teach you right now. It goes against my workflow, but I don't know, our workflow right now is not working correctly, because it's a third video back to back, editing, thumbnail editing, recording. Other two members, I don't know what are they doing, but I'm not really sad, they might be busy. Okay, so yes guys, that was it. All the variable functions and how to name them and what do they do. And in the next video, which we'll be releasing tomorrow, we'll be learning about input function. So stay tuned for that. Now I'm just gonna edit my video in Premiere Pro, and I think it should be out by 7. I think it's gonna take less time. Okay, so guys, that's it for today's video. Bye.